In construction, an open stud wall is a wall where the structural framing is visible and hasn't been covered with any sort of drywall, plywood, or any other material, exposing the skeleton of the wall itself. These are usually found inside your home in areas that are typically not accessible, like attics and basements. A typical open stud wall consists of the studs, one or two top plates, and a bottom plate. The studs are spaced evenly, often measuring 16 or 24 inches apart. This framing holds electrical wiring, plumbing, and insulation inside, which are all typically installed while one side of the wall is still open and accessible. An open stud wall design is practical for construction and renovation work and allows workers to install wiring, pipes, insulation, and other utilities much faster and more easily before sealing the wall up. This is more often seen on the interior walls, if plywood, OSB, or siding material has already been installed on the exterior walls. You'll most often see open stud walls in new construction or renovation projects, but can also be found in areas of a finished home, in areas like basements, attics, or garages, where finishing the walls was not needed or wanted in order to allow future access to wiring, plumbing, etc. Sometimes an open stud wall is on the outside of the building and siding is installed without the use of plywood or OSB. This is a quicker and more cost-effective option some builders choose to use, but lacks the lateral strength that sheared walls tends to have. And that's a look at what an open stud wall is. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward construction tips and explanations. Thanks for watching.